I'm not about to throw shade to people that use vitamin C cleansers or cleansers that have niacinamide or glutathione and all that. But these ingredients that are in the cleanser should be a leave-in product and not a rinse-out product. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Oma here again, and I am back with another video. Yes guys, so today's video is not a perfume video, but from the title you can tell it's a skincare video. I mentioned earlier in my updated makeup routine, if you have not seen that video, I'm going to link it up for you to go and watch. But in that video I mentioned that one of the key things to make your makeup look really good is having a good skincare routine. And so today I'm here to share my affordable, simple skincare routine. So it is my morning skincare routine, right? And it's as straightforward as possible. I actually want to point out that first, my skin is not perfect. My skin did not used to be as good as it is now, and it is nowhere near perfect. I still have blemishes, I still have a little bit of spots, I still have breakouts, but for the most part my skin can be tagged as unproblematic. So secondly, the fact that this is working for me, what I'm about to show you, doesn't give any assurance that it will work for you, in as much as it is a very simple routine to follow and it basically tackles generic problems that are associated with the skin. There's a high possibility or chance that it might not work for you, which brings me to my third point, which is find what works for your skin. In the past, I always wanted to do like the 10-step Korea skincare, 15-step skincare routine and all that, and my face just kept breaking out. I could not pinpoint what the problem was until I took a step back and stopped everything I was doing and I started tracing when the problem started. Pay attention to your skin and know what your skin needs. And after all this, if you're not seeing a result, I would honestly advise you to go and see a dermatologist or an esthetician. See one of these people so that you don't keep prescribing things that would generally not work for your skin or giving your skin the wrong treatment, right? Let's get right into it. Okay guys, with my morning skincare routine, I follow these 5 steps and it is called CHAMP. Number 1, cleanse. So I have 2 products that has been working for me. First off is the Nivea Perfect and Radiant Even Tone Cleansing Foam. It is very, very affordable. This is what I use. What is the job of a cleanser? When you're using a cleanser, what are you expecting? You're expecting it to take off impurities. You're expecting it to take off dirt from your face. You're expecting it to cleanse, basically, to clean every dirt and impurities from your face, right? That is what a cleanser should do, and that is what this does. I'm not about to throw shade to people that use vitamin C cleansers or cleansers that has niacinamide or glutathione and all that. But these ingredients that are in the cleansers are, in my opinion, I feel those ingredients should be a leave-in product and not a rinse-out product. I hope I made sense. But this is my cleanser. For days when I want my skin to be like squeaky clean, but there are days when I feel my skin is very, very oily. For those days, I use my Bliss Herbal Face Wash. I really don't use this all the time because it leaves my face squeaky clean. For days when I want to have that squeaky clean feel, I use this. Washed my face. I did that off camera. But the next step in my routine is called hydration. Why do you need hydration in your routine? For me, I use 2 products for my hydration process. The first one is a toner. I use this for my toner, and this is one part of my hydration process. I know other people have different reasons for using a toner, but I feel this process can actually be skipped, but I prefer using them. Now, I use toners basically to balance out the pH of my skin. You've used cleansers that the pH can be higher than your natural skin pH, right? The toner comes in play, and this toner helps in balancing out the pH of the skin. That is why I use toners. Some people use toners to clean out impurities that were not taken out during cleansing. The reason why I use toners is basically to balance out the pH of my skin. I basically just transfer it to a bottle that has a spritz, and I spritz it all over my face. You can also use a cotton pad to dab it all over your face, but I prefer spritzing it on my face and spraying it on my face and letting it dry out on its own. The next part of my hydration process is using a hydrating serum, and for that I am going to be using the one and only the COSRX Snail Mucin Power Essence. This thing is everywhere, and for a good reason. Basically what this does is it makes your skin feel very plump. It makes your skin have that supple, healthy look. And hydrating serums literally are humectants that make your face hydrated. It makes your face feel like there is water in your face. It is what it is hydrating your face. And the key ingredient for any hydrating serum is always hyaluronic acid. Now, hear me out, guys. In my own opinion, I actually feel you should get this if you're looking for a hydrating serum, as opposed to getting a regular hyaluronic acid serum. Let's come back to the hype of this product. People say it heals your skin, it makes your skin brighter, it makes your skin this, it makes your skin. It's a lie. Anybody telling you all that extraness is basically just saying that to sell this product. The only thing that this does, the basic thing that it does, is hydrate your face and give your face that supple, hydrated, healthy feel. When your skin is really hydrated and supple, it helps your it basically helps your skin heal faster when there's like an injury, or you have any acne, or you have any scar on your face. Because your face is already hydrated and supple, it heals faster. That is all this does. It doesn't all those extra things that they always preach that it does, it doesn't really do it. I literally take just 3 pumps. 3. You can see already that the glow is already given. You can see already that it's giving that glow that it's supposed to give. Now the next step in my routine is the A. Stands for actives. Now the only active I use during the day is what? Vitamin C. Actives are good in your routine, but I feel they will work better at night than daytime. But vitamin C is meant to be used during the day. Now, what is the work of a vitamin C serum? Because most people, when they get the vitamin C, they always get it to brighten the skin. I'll get to that in a bit. Now, vitamin C basically is meant to protect your skin from free radicals. Vitamin C are antioxidants, right? And it basically fights off free radicals. Free radicals are basically, just take free radicals as a molecule or an agent that damages your skin cells. This damage can lead to a lot of toxins. And now, to prevent that, you need to use an antioxidant. An example of an antioxidant is what? Vitamin C. What are the other benefits of using vitamin C? It might brighten your skin. So it's just like wearing a long sleeve or a shirt over your hand for days, and this other part is always open and exposed. Now, when you take off that shirt, you will see that this part is more lighter or brighter than the other parts of your skin. Is the same thing that happens with vitamin C. So your skin may actually appear brighter than it was before. But basically, that's what vitamin C is for. It's meant to protect your skin from free radicals, right? And that is why I use vitamin C. So I have 3 products that I've tested and trusted and would recommend to you guys. The first one is from Advanced Clinicals, and it's their vitamin C serum. I would advise people that have oily skin to go for this because it's a liquidy kind of consistency. Once you use this serum, it gives you that matte finish that an oily person or an oily skin would love. that is Advanced Clinicals. The second one is from The Ordinary, and is their ascorbic acid and alpha arbutin. This vitamin C serum is good for those that have dry skin or combination skin. I personally love this. This is like my favorite among the three I'm showing today. Why I like this is that it has that oily finish. If you have dry skin, I would advise you to go with The Ordinary ascorbic acid and alpha arbutin. The last one I'm showing today is from Balance. It is their vitamin C brightening serum. This also has a finish, a light, soft, matte finishing, and that's what I'm going to be using today. So basically, I just apply the vitamin C to my skin and I just let it sit. The next step for my routine is the M, which is the moisturizer. And for moisturizer today, I am going to be using the Bliss Face Cream Moisturizer. The moisturizer is going to serve as a barrier. There needs to be a barrier protecting all these serums, all these actives, to help them do their work better, and that is why you need a moisturizer. And the last step for this routine is protection. Now you've used your cleansers, you've used your hydrating serums, you've used actives and your moisturizer, and you plan on going out. Even if you don't plan on going out, right, guys, you should use protection. And what do I mean by protection? I mean sunscreens. Yes, guys, use sunscreens. You don't expect to use vitamin C and not back it up with a sunscreen. Talk more of using other actives and not using a sunscreen. You need to start now if you're not using one. Okay, so I have 3 products that has been working for me. Now the first one is from Black Girl Sunscreen. We all know this sunscreen, and I love the finishing of this sunscreen during the dry weather. During Harmattan period, during the cold season, I always reach out for this because it leaves my skin extra glowy. And the second one I use is from Misha, and is the Misha Aqua Sunscreen. Guys, you all know this sunscreen. It is a very lightweight, kind of matte finish when you use the sunscreen, and it does not leave a white cast. The last one, which is my favorite, especially during the hot season, is from Instri. This is the Instri Sun Stick. It is not a liquid product, it is a stick. A friend of mine recommended this to me and I've been loving it ever since. The reason I love this is because it is a stick, and out of the three that I've shown today, this is my favorite. It doesn't leave your face matte and it doesn't leave your face oily. It's just the perfect balance, and because it's a stick, you can keep reapplying and reapplying and you would not feel oily or feel uncomfortable. It's a very, very comfortable feel. It does not leave any white cast at all, and it is very lightweight in my opinion. So it's like a roll on. I literally just applied this all over my face. And there you have it, guys. This is the finished look. My skin is looking really, really glowy, and this is how I like my face to look. It is not like oily, but just has that subtle, satin finish glow. This is what I do every morning, and it's basically just 5 steps. It looks longer because I took my time to explain why I use these products, but it doesn't take me long in the morning. Alright guys, if you tried any of these products, please let me know in the comment section. And if you want me to do a separate video for my nighttime skincare routine, which is kind of different from what I do in the morning, please let me know and I will roll that video out for you guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe if you have not. Do subscribe, guys. I have a surprise coming up for you guys, so stay tuned. Okay, all right guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.